Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, the question is, what is the length of roux and y loop? Roux and y loop is important, especially in the treatment of gastric issues like gastric ulcers, peptic ulcers, and other things. So, what is the length of roux and y loop? Mainly to avoid the bile reflux esophagitis. To avoid bile reflux esophagitis, what is the length of the roux and y loop? The length of the roux and y loop should be at least 50 centimeters long.
thank you and thank you for watching.